This yummy cabbage curry is so easy to make and delicious. Goes well with rice, rotis and everything. Heat oil in a cooker, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, dry red chillies, curry leaves and 1 kilo cabbage. Stir on a high flame for 3 minutes. Now add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, 2 green chillies and mix it well and add dal. I'd soaked the dal for 30 minutes and drained, and now I've added salt and I'm adding water. Allow 3 whistles on a high flame, and here I'm heating 2 tablespoon oil, peanuts, urad dal, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds and a little rice. Roast on a low flame. Add red chillies. I have used bayad ghee. Roast for 2 minutes. Add a lemon-sized tamarind. Stir for half a minute and switch off the flame and add coconut. Now transfer to a mixer jar. Add garlic and shallots. Blend to a smooth paste. Here our cabbage and dal is cooked well. Now add the blended masala, add jaggery and bring it to a boil and switch off the flame. That's it. Enjoy yummy cabbage ki sabzi.